Alright, we're at S. Baker Avenue again. This is the area where my local Parks' ice cream shop. Oh my god, look at that menu. Look at that menu over there. Okay. There's the ice cream shop. No. There's a white something right there. Oh, can I buy something? Oh my gosh. Yeah, the rock paper shop. My favorite ice cream. Is that Bugs Bunny stuff?
Stand right in front of the clone sign. Make your head big.
Alright.
I'll take a picture of you.
Come on, guys.
Ready?
Ready.
Set. Wow, look at all those ice creams.
Yeah. Oh, they have the lemonade. We're open right now. Got the cap. They got this thing right here. And what else do they got? Oh, they got the screwball thing. One of my favorites. Crush Bomb Pop. Glamour Bomb Pop. Where's the Nerd Bomb Pop there? They have the Nerd Bomb Pop.
Is there any out there that you've never seen before?
Yeah. I thought this popsicle doesn't exist anymore. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought they got rid of it. Wow.
I don't see the chocolate taco anymore.
Yeah, it still exists, but not a lot of people.
Oh, but look, that's it. Remember? The screwball? Remember we got those?
Yeah, I've tried both the flavors before. I've never...
Remember I got you a case of them?
Yeah, I remember that. They got the Nurse Bomb Pop right there. That's me and Angel's favorite Bomb Pop. My favorite Bomb Pop cup is celebration. Wait, let me go up there real quick. What the? I see some dogs over there. Alright, bye guys.